Want to run a poll for your subscribers on YouTube, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to run a poll on YouTube. Now let's get started. To create a poll on YouTube, open the YouTube app and tap the plus sign at the bottom. Select Post. Then tap the poll icon. Your poll options can be images or text. Select which type of options you want to add. If you choose image, you'll then tap the image icon to import images from your device for each option. This is a great way to see what your followers think about thumbnail images. If you choose text, simply type in what you want the poll options to be in each text box. Tap Add Another Option if you want to add additional choices. You can have up to 4 options in a poll. Type in a question or information to give context to your poll. Then tap Post to share your poll to your channel. When people view your post, they can tap an option in the poll to vote for it, and you'll be able to see the results. That's all it takes to create a poll on YouTube. For more helpful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.